Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can do a bit of maintenance on your Dyson V7 Motorhead. So we're going to be cleaning all the hair away from the spinning brush at the bottom, and also we're going to be cleaning up these as well. So what you might find is that when you're using it maybe on wooden floor, you might find that it's leaving marks behind. It's because these here have got blocked up and they're not spinning anymore, and they're actually just scraping across the floor. You're rubbing the plastic from here onto the floor. And also with this, if there's too much hair in it, it's not going to spin as nice as it should do. So it's going to be a little bit disgusting, but it does need to be cleaned. So when we press it here, you can see that in this instance, it is still spinning nicely. But the more hair you have on it, the heavier it's going to be. It's going to wear your battery down more. So what we need to do is unplug it from the vacuum cleaner. We're going to start by just undoing these ones here first. So it's a little Phillips, a little crosshead screwdriver, and we're just going to undo them. These ones have already been done. But again, you can see a little bit of hair has built up here. So what happens is it wraps itself around here and then stops it from spinning. So clean all the hair and dust away from around here, and then pop the screw and the plastic washer back in. And we need to do the same on the other side as well. So you can see that's spinning nicely. Now let's do the same on this side. And again, if there's any hair, clean it from out around here. When it comes to putting it back together, make sure you put it in the right way around. You can see that it goes in on this side and it fits the screw nicely, and this side is toothed. The tooth side needs to go against the tooth side on here. Right, so they're both spinning nice. Now with this one here, if you have a look, we have a little bit here that we can just get a coin or a flat knife into, and we're just going to turn that just a tiny little bit counterclockwise. So you can see it's only a little bit. That's all we need to do. And then it will come out, and it pulls all the way out, and it gives us a good opportunity to clean all around in here, get rid of all the hair, and also all the hair from here. Now, I find the quickest way to do it is just to get some scissors. Obviously, don't cut the bristles themselves, but you can normally feel where the bristles are, unless it's that matted with hair. Be really careful then. And what I do is I just go next to the bristles with the scissors, and I just nice and gently go along here, and I'm just cutting just the hair, not the bristles. And you should find that it all comes off nice and easy then. Obviously wear gloves if you're uncomfortable doing this. Right, and to put it back in, we go in through here and just keep turning it until it drops into place. I'm putting pressure down, and now it's dropped into place. You can even just do it with your fingers, or get your knife and then just turn it a little bit clockwise, and now that is locked back into place, and we're nice and clean again. So that's it. That's how to give your Dyson V7 Motorhead a little service. Thanks for watching.